All right, so over here what we have is a slab that, like most, are going to be, it's not going to be have a flat bottom. And so essentially what you have to do is you have to make at least one flat side so that you can flatten the other side properly. So what you're going to do is you're going to check your slab as you're going. I did it already, but in a subsequent video I'll show you guys how it's going to have some kind of like movement. As you're rocking, it'll rock, and then what you want to do is you need to shim the rock out. Just throw a couple pieces of wood in there, shim the rock out, and hot glue it to what you know to be a flat surface. And when you run that through the thickness planer, that's going to give you one flat reference point on top. The reason why you can't just run this board through is because the planer is going to ride whatever is the reference on the bottom. So if I ran this board through the bottom, all those waves would translate and transfer to the top, and you're not going to end up with a flat piece of wood. So you need a flat reference point, which is the plywood. Then you need to shim your board so that way your board is essentially the top is mirroring the top of this plywood. And you're going to give that a clean swipe with the planer, giving you one flat reference point. Then you can remove the board from the plywood, flip it over. Now you have a flat reference point, which is now your previous top. Run it through the planer again, and you have a flat board on both sides, hopefully.